It is Sunday and it is cold in the house. I can't believe it. I think it was like 73 for the high yesterday or something like that. And then I think it's the same again today. So I'm actually wearing this sweater that is a fairly recent purchase this will be the first time I'm actually wearing it, from AliExpress. It's like a chunky little cardigan. It's going to be much used this fall. And then I'm wearing this plain blue like t-shirt top underneath it that I bought from Fallis years ago, and then these really cute little like bright colored graffiti pants that I bought from I think Goodwill like several years ago. I have my blue eyeshadow to match, and these earrings that I bought from Walmart. Yeah, so now we're gonna go to the kitchen and start to make a slow cooker zuppa toscana, because we're thinking we're probably not going to go to the Olive Garden January if things are still the way they are with COVID and all of that. So we're going to try making our own, because yeah, we go to the Olive Garden every January 25th for our meeting anniversary. Vaughn and I, that's where we met for our first date. So we usually go there every year on the 25th to commemorate our anniversary. We're starting with the Italian sausage and onions, and we're going to saute this before we put it into the slow cooker. Here is the zuppa toscana. We put the meat in there, and then what else do you add, Vaughn? Potatoes, a little bit of bacon, kale goes in later, and heavy cream that we don't have, but we're going to put milk in there instead, right?
Right.
What else went in there? Oh, chicken stock and...
A quart of chicken stock, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt.
For lunch, I made... Whoa! For lunch, I made a Hawaiian pizza for Vaughn and a regular one for me. And these were made on tortillas like my dad told me how to do. They taste so much better than even the frozen pizzas. This is definitely the way to go from now on. I don't think I'll ever get frozen pizza again. I'm finally having a little bit of a rest here in the tiki bar. You can see behind me, I think, where I spackled the wall. It still needs painting and all of that. But anyway, to elaborate on the whole pizza thing and frozen pizzas, I have a really bad track record with frozen pizzas. I don't know if it's because I undercook them or what, but there's been like 3 or 4 times that I've had a horrible experience and was food poisoned, where I was like really sick after eating frozen pizzas. Different brands, like the Pizza Pockets, anything pizza related, it seems. Yeah, so frozen pizza is kind of the devil for me, and I try to avoid it. And luckily now I have found these tortilla pizzas that my dad showed me how to make, and that solves the whole pizza at home problem, and they taste really good. Today is Monday, and this is my outfit of the day. It is this really cute tunic top from Nora Cora, and I am wearing shorts underneath, but it is so long, it's basically like a mini dress. And then I'm wearing these earrings that I got from Walmart, I think on sale, and I really like this top. It's kind of floaty and it's very comfortable. And right now we're gonna go down to my parents' house and wash and wax my car that is there. It really needs it. So yeah, that is the project for now. And then I also need to pick up some packages that went to their house, and so yeah, that's what we're doing today. And it's a lot warmer today than it has been. It's finally warmed up. So I guess that's a plus. Today is Tuesday, and here is today's outfit of the day. This hat was a gift from my father. I think he got it from the Dollar General. And then these earrings, I think I got those from Walmart. And then this little red top here, that was from a thrift store, I think Goodwill. And then this really adorable plaid or yellow gingham skirt that was gifted from Shein, so I'm going to be reviewing that. This is so cute. You usually see this in like red and white, or maybe blue and white, but I've rarely seen like yellow and white. I think it is so cute for summer and maybe even into fall, and it's just such a cute little like country style and stuff like that. So yeah, I wore this to the backyard, took some pictures around our pumpkin patch, and I'm gonna finish wearing this. I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the day. It's actually pretty comfortable. Probably won't keep wearing the hat though. It's kind of big. But yeah, I think this is very cute. It could look good, I suppose, with the white shirt too. I decided to go with the red. I couldn't quite find something I wanted to wear with it. And then I settled on the red. I think this was a part of a dance costume or something like that. It's kind of old-fashioned. And I'm not sure if it's cotton. It feels kind of like a cotton fabric, but I really like it. Very cute. Today is Wednesday, and here's my outfit of the day. It's this really cute maxi dress that I was gifted from Nora Cora. I still need to take photos in this and review it. And then these earrings that I bought, I think, from Goodwill. And then a whole bunch of other stuff has come in this week. So yeah, I've got, wow, yeah, it's almost an entire, you can see behind me, that rack there is full of stuff that needs to be reviewed. So let's take a look at that. So this skirt is from Blushmark. That is so pretty and girly and feminine, and that needs to be photographed. This is another dress here that is from Nora Cora, and then I have this new coat here from Shein. This little coat here that looks like a lamb, that is also from Shein. This cute little top, and I thought that that went well with these pants here, also from Shein. This dress here, I thought it looked kind of like it was from the 1940s. Another plaid jacket from Shein. This really long, beautiful maxi dress, also from Shein. So yeah, an entire like wardrobe amount of stuff that has come in this week. I had one more item hanging on the steamer, and that is this yellow and green print maxi dress. This is also from Nora Cora. It has little puffy sleeves. So yeah, I don't even know how many items this is. Today is Thursday, and I really didn't feel like dressing up today, so I just wore one of my dresses that I wear around the house as usual. And I've been working since morning on video editing and blog posting. I did take some photos in some new swimwear that I got from Shein. So I did do that this afternoon once the sun was set just right. And I also saw some of the reward style conference that was happening today. So I have done a lot of stuff, and luckily I can take the rest of the evening off now. But yeah, hopefully I'll be back on this vlog tomorrow with an actual outfit of the day too. So here is Thursday's outfit of the day. Just my little house dress, although this one is very cute. I love the palm trees and the girls and the whole scene with the beach and all that, and the color is just so much fun. This thing, it gets really wrinkled when you wash it, and of course I don't bother to steam it because it's just something I wear around the house on like casual days. But yeah, the wrinkles fall out of it when you wear it, so that's really cool. Today is Friday, and this is today's outfit of the day. It's this really pretty lace top that I bought from Goodwill, and then this skirt with the wide waistband. It is also from Goodwill. I just got back from visiting my parents because it had been raining earlier, and then the raining finally stopped, and I went to pick up my package, which was the complete series of Miami Vice. So I'm excited to start watching that. Yeah, the original back in the 80s. I don't know if they've had a new Miami Vice, or if it's just the movie that they've had a remake of. Anyway, yeah, I think it's only been the movie anyway. But yeah, the TV series. So I'm really looking forward to watching that and listening to the cool 80s music and watching the 80s fashion and stuff like that. It's going to be a lot of fun and hopefully an escape from what is going on in the world right now. It is Saturday, and this is today's outfit of the day. It is this gifted little like crinkle elastic top, and then these really cool pants. I'm wearing these in a size small, and I think the top is a size small as well. I thought these would go good together because the bottoms have black in them as well, and then this top fits perfectly. It can be worn with so many different things, and it's comfortable, but it's snug, so it's not going to be falling down or anything like that. I love that. I love that it works like that as a strapless top, because a lot of times with strapless things, it's kind of annoying to be able to keep them up. But yeah, I love the tassels on these pants. I love the color. Like I said, they are perfect for fall. They look a little baggy through here, but like I said, they are a size small, so I think that's just the way they're kind of supposed to be. Very relaxed and comfortable. And then yeah, these earrings are from a thrift store. So it is Saturday, and I think I'm going to end the blog here. I don't usually actually do a proper ending, but yeah, I just wanted to mention how I posted a lingerie video, modeling lingerie, on TikTok, and like in 4 hours I had gained 400 new followers, and it had gotten like 12,700 views or something like that. It was just crazy. So I guess it went like semi-viral, and then it died off. But then now I posted a few things since then, and it gets like 60 views or 100 views, and I just think it's so funny how, you know, if I get 12,000 on one video, could I at least get like 1,200 consistently on my other videos? Social media is just so frustrating. If you do much social media, then you probably know what I'm talking about. It can be so annoying, but I just thought that was kind of funny because it was very unexpected for this thing to go so semi-viral like that. But yeah, most views or of anything I've ever had in that short amount of time anyway, so I thought that was kind of funny.